In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Spellcheck in PowerPoint, ensuring your presentations are polished and professional. Let's dive right in and explore this essential feature, step by step. Start by clicking on the Windows icon located on the bottom left side of your screen. This will allow you to navigate and launch Microsoft PowerPoint effortlessly. Once PowerPoint is open, you have the option to either open an existing presentation or create a brand new one. Feel free to add your photos, tables, and any other content you wish to include. Remember, having all your material in place helps PowerPoint accurately identify any potential spelling errors. Next, make your way to the Review tab in the PowerPoint toolbar. Here, you'll find various tools and settings designed to enhance your presentation, but for our purpose today, simply click on the Spelling button. This will initiate the spell check process. When PowerPoint detects an error, it will conveniently appear in the spelling pane. This pane provides an overview of each detected error, allowing you to address them individually. To correct an error, you have a couple of options. You can type the correction directly into the slide if you already know the correct spelling, or if you prefer, select a word from the list of suggested corrections PowerPoint provides. Once you've chosen the appropriate word, click Change to update the text on your slide. If you come across the same error multiple times throughout your presentation, PowerPoint offers the handy Change All button. By clicking this, you can fix all instances of that particular error with one swift action, saving you time and effort. On the other hand, if you encounter a word that may be a stylistic choice or is purposely misspelled and you wish to leave it as it is, you can use the Ignore option. By doing this, you skip over that specific instance without making any changes. Similarly, if this word appears repeatedly and you want to skip all of its occurrences, just click Ignore All. There may be times when PowerPoint flags a word as incorrect simply because it's not in its dictionary. This often happens with proper names or industry-specific terms. In these situations, you can add the word to PowerPoint's dictionary by selecting it and clicking Add, ensuring it won't be flagged in future checks. The spell check process continues, automatically moving from one error to the next, allowing you to review each one until all errors have been addressed. Once the spell check cycle is complete, you'll receive a message confirming that there are no more errors left to review. Simply click OK or close the message to return to your presentation, now free of spelling mishaps. With these easy steps, your PowerPoint presentation is sure to impress your audience.